In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze e-commerce performance reports in just 5 minutes. This process will help you understand the performance of your online store, making it easier for you to make informed decisions based on data insights. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Webflow. It's a powerful visual website builder that not only allows you to design custom websites, but also helps you manage various e-commerce functionalities, including performance reporting. This makes it an essential utility for any e-commerce business owner. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Webflow website. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, your next step is to log in. You'll see a login option right on the homepage. Click on this to enter your credentials. Remember, if you're managing multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the correct one to ensure you're analyzing the right data. After logging in, you will be directed to your Webflow dashboard. This dashboard is the central hub for all your projects. It's where you get to see everything you've been working on in one place. This feature is incredibly useful for managing multiple projects and keeping track of different reports effortlessly. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with any updates or alerts that might be important for your projects. Now, it's time to go deeper by selecting a project you want to analyze. On your dashboard, you should see a list of your projects. Click on one of these projects to proceed. By choosing a specific project, you'll be able to view detailed insights specific to that project, which is critical when you need to make project-specific adjustments based on the data at hand. Once you're inside the project, locate and click on the Insights option from the navigation panel. This section houses all the detailed data analytics for your e-commerce platform. These insights might include information on sales performance, customer behavior, website traffic, and other key metrics relevant to your business. Delving into this data reveals patterns and trends that can have a big impact on your strategic decisions. As you browse through these insights, take notes of your key observations. Pay attention to spikes or drops in sales, shifts in customer engagement, or any unusual patterns that might warrant further investigation or strategic shifts. This practice of consistently reviewing insights will help you stay ahead in a very competitive e-commerce landscape by making data-driven decisions that bolster your business growth. And there you have it. You've just successfully walked through the process of analyzing e-commerce performance reports using Webflow. By regularly reviewing these insights, you're equipping yourself with the knowledge needed to make adjustments that could lead to improved outcomes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment, and happy analyzing!